In the midst of my plastic surgery career, I started to have a little bit of extra time and I wanted to go off into a hobby, so artwork. My family was in artwork, they collect art. Lauri and I love to take pictures everywhere that we go. And so I wanted to do something that was creative for me. And I tried to dabble with some canvases and that didn't work. But at the time we were redecorating our home and I saw that they were placing drywall up on the walls and plastering them. And it came to me, I can do that. So I started to cut the drywall and then plaster it into a three-dimensional piece. And that's how I developed this. So as you see, it's got the shape of the heart, the form of the heart, a little three-dimension. And I always end and sign my work with X's and O's because I do believe in the love that we give to people, the happiness that develops, the empathy of the heart itself. And so the passion of this particular piece called Commandments of Love is about the hugs and kisses within the framework of this heart, made of plaster, embellished with acrylic, and then finished with a medium.